Autopilot tips every Tesla owner should know. All right, Tesla fam, want to get the most out of your Autopilot? Here are some tips every owner should know. Hash 1. Use Autopilot on highways. Autopilot works best on straight, well-marked highways. It's great for long drives, but make sure you're always ready to take control if needed. 2. Keep your hands on the wheel. Even with Autopilot active, you need to keep your hands on the wheel and stay alert. If it detects your hands are off for too long, it'll warn you to take control. As 3. Adjust speed and following distance. Use the scroll wheels to adjust your speed and set your following distance to make sure you're comfortable with the pace of traffic. 4. Take advantage of auto lane change. When Autopilot is engaged, you can signal to change lanes and the car will do it automatically. This is super useful for passing slower cars on the highway. 5. Regular software updates. Tesla regularly releases software updates that improve Autopilot features. Be sure to check for updates so you're always using the latest version. 6. Practice in safe areas. Before relying on Autopilot in busy traffic, practice using it on less crowded roads. It'll help you get familiar with how it reacts to lane changes, curves, and other vehicles. Bottom line, Autopilot is a powerful tool, but always stay engaged and ready to take control. And be sure to check out the link in the description to find out ways to upgrade your ride even further.